Congratulations on your purchase of Coolaroo 30% or 50% UV block shade fabric, which is perfect for protecting your plants and flowers from too much heat and sun exposure. There are several accessories you could use to secure the fabric for this type of installation, such as timber fasteners, lacing cord and needle, tie wraps, or butterfly clips, depending on where you're installing the fabric. For this installation, on a raised garden bed, we've chosen to use timber fasteners, which means you'll also need a hammer or rubber mallet. To install the fabric on your garden bed, first be sure to measure the open areas you plan to cover. Next, cut the shade fabric to the appropriate size or sizes if you're installing in sections to fit the openings. Be sure to allow for enough overage on all sides to secure the fabric to the structure properly. Finally, put your shade fabric in place and secure with timber fasteners by tapping them into place with your hammer or rubber mallet and trim any excess fabric. Repeat on other sections if necessary. Now your plants and flowers are protected from the hot sun. For additional installation details and any questions, visit us online at coolaroousa.com.